Hi, my name is Mariela.
I'm Lee.
And today we're going to install the sound deadening material for our van. That should be the first thing done in the inside when you're doing your van. These vans are basically a big metal box. They are not made for living in them or for comfort. So they have a lot of vibration, a lot of sound, and a lot of noise as you drive. And sound deadening will take care of that issue. The product we're going to use to accomplish this mission is
80mm Kilmat.
Peel and stick. You do not have to cover the 100% of the surface in order for it to work. 25 to 50%.
30.
25 to 30, even less. You do want to use 100% on the wheel wells.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's called. So we do have to start by taking these panels off first. Not all vans come with these panels, so we don't want to bore you with that too much. We'll do that real fast, and then we'll show you how to install the sound deadening stuff.
Just be aware some of the panels are put in with self-tapping screws if you do have these panels. So if once you take a self-tapping screw out, you want to clean it and prime it, prevent rust. But we'll get to that as we start disassembly.
Okay.
Cool, here we go.
Here we go.
Alright, these panels have self-tapping screws and also some panel clips. First thing I'm going to do is pull these self-tapping screws out using a T25. T25 Torx bit pulls these right out. Little panels. Okay, these little panel clips have some panel tools, and these panel tools have a bunch of different adapters, different panel tools in it. This is the one that I found works the best. These, you just pull that out, go ahead and pull that out, and it comes right out. Quick and easy with the right tool.
Where did you find that tool?
Amazon. There should be a link below.
Okay.
And nice clean panels. Just have to clean this up a little bit once we get everything else done and put some primer on there. A couple little spots right here where it's been nicked. Just want to rust proof it. Okay, the panels are removed and we're just doing a little prep work. Mariella's cleaning the panels off so we get good adhesion. We're both a little OCD, so we like it clean as well, even though it'd never be seen. Just using 409 and a rag, making sure it's clean and no residue. That'll give us a good sticky surface, or a good clean surface to stick to. Sound deadening from Kilmat. This is the unboxing. Ordered the 80mm, 36 square foot, the car sound deadening mat.
Okay, so for these we need the sheets, which are the peel and stick. This is the easy part. Stationary knife or scissors. Gloves, because I guess it's messy. Degreaser, we already used the 409. We also had a couple of alcohol wipes we used in a couple panels. Cloth for wiping and a pen for marking. And we're ready to go.
Cool.
What are your gloves?
I'm too cool for gloves.
You're too cool for gloves.
See, that's like 75%.
On that panel? Well,
Yeah.
Look at that. So here, look at
What's that?
this.
Is that like
You guys.
25%?
So on each panel, since we only need a little bit, but we can put a little extra, no? So here what we did was figure out the 25%, and it's just this small piece. We're feeling like maybe we want to put a little more than that to make sure this thing works. So are we going to use the whole sheet?
We'll use a whole sheet on each panel, which is probably a little overkill, but I'd rather be overkill than underkill. So we'll start with this panel here.
Because after we put the insulation, there's no going back to these.
Then we just roll it out.
Do you want to, you put the sheets and I'll roll?
Sure.
I guess not.
Yeah.
You can stop the video.
I'm just gonna finish what I'm doing.
I don't think you need the gloves anyway.
Are you gonna do the sheet?
Well, you didn't let me roll. So.
No, I told you could, because I wanted to finish what I was doing. We've got the Kilmat placed everywhere in the main body compartment and the sliding door. The only place we don't have the Kilmat at this time is the driver's door, the passenger door, and overhead. We're going to have to take all this down when we build our shelf and do our insulation, and we upgrade the speakers in the door, so when we take the door panels off and drop the headliner, we'll do our sound deadening at that time along with the insulation. Other than that, we're pretty much done. And below you'll find the links, the Amazon affiliate links for the Kilmats and the roller that we use to apply the Kilmat. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.